can't tell at the time of the arrival how many they were.
I just found them here.
No, just answer the question. You can't tell at the time of their arrival how many demonstrators they were.
Yes.
And you can also not tell at their arrival what exactly they were doing at the point of arrival, because you are not there.
Yeah.
Very well. So how did you know that the demonstrations were happening, or there was an issue that was ongoing at the Senate?
The officers who were manning the Senate case informed the OCS.
The who? Repeat.
Informed the OCS.
Who?
The officers manning the gate. Yes.
Informed?
The OCS.
Yes. That?
They are demonstrators.
Okay.
Yes. In which the OCS informed us from the branch, crime branch office.
So, very well.
So we went together.
You went together?
Yes.
Okay, so how much time did you take between the time you got the information, prepared, and then arrived at the scene of the incident?
Not more than 30 minutes.
Not more than 30 minutes?
Yes.
Very well. So that actually means that from the start of the demonstration to the time you arrive, there's a 30 minutes gap.
30 minutes or less.
So are you changing? Are you saying it's 30 minutes or 30 minutes or less? What are you saying? Are you saying 30 minutes or 30 minutes or less?
30 minutes.
So now you having arrived 30 minutes later,
Yes.
what did you find happening?
We found women shouting, Eric beating the women and shouting. He was dressed in Nairobi County Government Regalia uniform with a cape also.
What is that regalia?
A Kanjo uniform.
Kanjo uniform. What is the color?
Grey with a belt.
So which women was he beating?
The Mama Bogas.
The Mama Bogas?
Yes.
Were they part of the demonstration?
Part of the demonstrators.
Ah, very well. So at the time you arrived, you found him beating
and scattering.
Scattering the demonstrators.
Shouting.
Which, very well.
Yes.
So it's in your analysis, the women were part of the demonstration.
Yes.
This is just a normal question. How long have you been in the police? Just for purposes so that I can see if I can ask you the next question or not. 10 years.
Yes.
10 years. So that's enough time to understand a bit of public order matters.
It's okay.
So, and you've experienced demonstrations before. You've been part because Parliament has had several demonstrations.
Yes.
How long have you been at the Parliament police station itself? How long?
6 years.
6 years. So that actually means you've seen so many other demonstrations. So,
yes.
and that also will tell me that you understand the nature of demonstrations.
Yes.
Is there a code of ethic, and you want your opinion, or a code of conduct for people demonstrating anywhere? Is there a code of conduct for people demonstrating? Is there a way that demonstrations should be?
Normally, they notify the police, the senior police officer in rank.
Sorry?
They always notify the police.
I want to restructure the question so that you understand. For example, you as an officer,
yes.
Maybe if you are told to salute, a salute is done this way.
Yes.
True? True. So if I am demonstrating, is there a way that I should behave? In your thinking, having experienced several demonstrations.
For demonstration to occur, you must notify the senior police officer manning the said police station.
Now, let me ask you, is there anything that was wrong with Erick demonstrating using Hoga?
Yeah, because my senior officer, which the OCS, was not aware about the demonstration.
Oh, your office
Yes.
was not aware of the demonstration?
Yes, she was not aware.
Of the demonstration?
Yes.
Let me show you a document. Read for me the title. Read it loudly.
Notice of intended public prosecution. Demonstration pursuant to section 5 of the Public Order Act 56.
Date of the protest.
4th June.
Time.
2024.
Time.
9:00 AM to 12.
It was received by whom? It was received on which date?
The 2nd of May 2024.
By who?
OCS Panel.
So, who was not aware? Who are you saying was not aware? Is this your thinking or is something you had an idea about?
If she could have been aware, she could have deployed us to provide security to save the demonstrators.
So, in fact, you are saying she received this letter and she did deploy you to provide security. You have no more questions?
One, Erick Omondi. Some few men and women. At the time, they had scattered Sukuma Wiki along the road, extending towards the gate.
Which gate?
Senate gate. Yes. Arrested one, Erick Omondi, with some few men, I think three men and 3 women. We escorted them to the police station,
Which police station?
Parliament police station, and handed over to this officer for investigation.
So what did you see when you got to the scene? What did you see? Or see and hear?
We could hear Erick Omondi was beating the women with a stick.
Did you see him beating?
Yes, and shouting. The other men were carrying placards written, just Mama Mboka amechoka, wabunge ni wasaliti. We confiscated a hand loudspeaker from him and the stick that he was beating the women and shouting.
Are they these ones that are before court?
Yes, when I looked at this.
Now we had marked the speaker as PMFI1 and the baton as PMFI2.
Yesterday is when we took the arrested persons and taken to the station.
What about you said you arrested 3 women and 3 men.
Yes.
Where are they? What happened to them?
Not aware.
You arrested them, so.
We arrested them and we put them at the cell.
Mm.
So the DCI took over the matter from them.
Okay.
Yes.
You said, so the person, Erick, whom you arrested, is he the one who is before court?
Yes. And they did.
Okay. Is that all? Is that all?
Yeah, that's all I used to say.
Yeah, that is all for this witness.
If you could say.